In today's video, we are going to cover how to change your Xero email address. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main account screen, look to the top area for your profile icon. Click that icon to open the account menu, then select My Xero. This takes you to the part of your account where your personal account details and login information are managed. After My Xero opens, go to the Settings tab. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the available account sections appear clearly before continuing. You are looking for the section that contains your login details, since that is where the email address change is handled. Under Login Details, find the entry for your email address. Next to it, click Change. This opens the Change Email Address window, where you can update the address connected to your Xero sign-in. If you do not see the Change option right away, check that you are still on the Settings tab and not in another area of the account. In the Change Email Address window, click into the New Email Address field and enter the email address you want to use going forward. Make sure you enter the full address correctly, since the confirmation message will be sent there. A typing mistake at this stage can delay the update because the verification email will go to whatever address is entered in that field. Once the new email address is entered, move to the field labeled Type Password to confirm. In that field, enter your current Xero password. This step confirms that the request is being made by the account holder and not by someone else who has access to the screen. Use your current password for the account you are signed into and make sure it is entered exactly as required. After both fields are complete, click Save. Xero will then process the request and send a verification email to the new address you entered. If the page does not change right away, give it a moment and watch for any confirmation on screen that the request has been submitted. At this point, the email address is not fully updated yet because the final confirmation still needs to be completed from the email message. Now open the inbox for your new email address and look for the verification email from Xero. Open that message, then click the confirmation link inside it. This final step confirms ownership of the new address and completes the update on your account. If you do not see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder before returning to Xero. Your Xero email address has now been changed and confirmed.